Class, our topic for today is all about the artificial intelligence or what we call the AI. First, we need to know what is the meaning of artificial intelligence. Actually, artificial intelligence is the simulations of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. Specific applications of AI include expert system, natural language processing, speech recognition, and vision. Actually, kung familiar kayo kay robot Susie, if I'm not mistaken, siya yung robot that can think like a human. Kaya kanyang sagutin, kaya niya makipag-communicate sa'yo, and something na may nagagawa niya rin is mga jobs na kaya natin gawin like maghugas ng plato, maggawa ng mga files, mag-ayos ng mga bagay-bagay. This is what we call the artificial intelligence used in the machines. What is the purpose of artificial intelligence? In the summary, the goal of AI is to provide software that can reason on input and explain on the output. AI will provide human-like interactions with software and other decision support for a specific task, but it's not a replacement for human and won't be anytime soon. Because without us humans, hindi naman po natin ma-upgrade ang sinasabi nilang artificial intelligence. Ibig sabihin yan, hindi naman mapapaayos pa yung way nila or yung mga task na kaya nilang gawin, hindi pa rin ma-improve. So, tayo mga humans is nandito para sila magkaroon ng improvement. And AI naman is used para gumaang ang buhay natin, lalo na sa mga malalaking mga industries, ginagamit yan to reduce manpower. Pero ano negative effect ng AI? Siyempre, pag may mga robotics na, nagle-less na yung manpower. Inire-replace tayo ng mga robots, which is loss of jobs naman para sa maraming mga tao. Yun yung disadvantage ng pagkakaroon ng maraming robotics sa hinaharap. Pero matandaan natin, kahit kailan hindi nila tayong pwedeng i-replace because without us humans, wala rin po sila. Yan lang po. Thank you.
Madali naman. Papatayin ka.
Yan lang. Tama na yan.